This section is unique because we learn about mechanical engineering through the lens of biology. If you like biology, but you want to be an engineer, this is the class for you. So we search the literature, we find these principles and these mechanisms in biology, we extract those principles, we apply them to engineering. There are a lot of concepts. We can draw inspiration from anything.
For today's lab, they were designing soft robots that was based off like sea cucumber motion. How can we use something that's linear in dimension, but use it in a different dimension?
This is all mesh.
That team over there was working on an M-card swiper. Their application was for like the dining hall, because you always have to swipe your M-card when you go in there. Another team was working on a hand brace. So if someone has less mobility in their fingers, they could connect this soft robot to their hand and fill it with air so like it would help fingers move.
Biological organisms have been evolving for millions of years. These are things that are really, really complex. What's the simplest model that I can make of this complex organism and still capture the mechanism? Sometimes you'll find some inspiration in a teeny tiny creature and you want to make it the size of a building. Is it still going to be valid at that size, or is there some way that you can calculate and scale that? There's a huge portion at the end where it's totally self-directed.
Introducing Tumbleseed, a wind-powered device.
They get to choose any biological system, any principle in biology. I'm actually also asking them to test it and evaluate how well it works, and then film it all into a Kickstarter video. And they're pitching their design to an audience and asking for funding. At the beginning of the class, I take a poll, and many of the students think that animals are perfect, and then by the end, they think that, okay, animals aren't perfect and we need to understand them better. We can't just copy, we have to take inspiration.